Ooh, look at this, guys. So I've been trying to count my macros, and I'm having one meal, well, maybe two today. So far I've got right here, this is butter. Now I didn't melt it all the way, that's why it looks all thick like. It's butter with hot sauce, pepper, garlic, salt, do good stuff. And then I'm gonna have my chicken wings, which I did my macros on that. I can have 7 wings, gives me 63 grams of protein, which is my day, what I need for the day. And then this 4 tablespoons of butter is only 44 grams of butter. I think there's something like 30 grams of fat, they say, in the wing. So altogether, I'm looking at close to 80 grams of fat. Hope you guys can see me. We don't have a dining room table anymore because when we started fasting, we got rid of our table. So I'm actually here in my room at my desk. I just hate that you can't see my food, because I know when I watch mukbang, I want to see the food. I mean, I like the people too, but the food is truly the star. Okay, so, all right, so yesterday was Halloween, and it was a success. Halloween 2019 was a success. We took our girlies out, got our trick-or-treat on, and I promise you, I swear, I didn't eat any candy. Not a drop of sugar went in his mouth yesterday. But honestly, I really wasn't tripping. I didn't even care about it. Ooh. I garlic that down. It's good. But okay. Woo! Honestly, like yesterday, I woke up in the morning, I was hungry. Now, the 2 days prior to that, I just salt water fasted. No tea, no coffee, no nothing, just salt water. And for those of you who watched our vlog, I was kind of freaking out a little bit. Just because I was going through sugar withdrawal as usual, food withdrawal, my mind just telling me a story that's not real. So I had to get it together. Basically just push through, just let my mind do what it do. By the end of the day, I made a decision. Fasting with Michelle, and I wasn't gonna break it until she did, which she ended up having to eat the next day. But I just pushed on because I could, so I did. And anyway, yesterday morning, which was Halloween, I got up and I was hungry. I really was. So I just decided, you know what, I'm gonna have a little coffee, which is probably not the best thing to eat or drink. But I was like, yep. I want it. I'm tired. I'm hungry. I'm cold. I'm gonna make some coffee. Well, honestly, it's more like hot, heavy cream with a couple drops of coffee in it. If you want to know the truth. But man, yesterday, I was thinking I want to put some fat in it, So, when I went to get the heavy cream, next to it was my cocoa butter. So I thought, I'll bet you that tastes good. And baby, they're the best damn coffee I've had in a long time. It was rich and fatty and chocolatey. I put a couple drops of sucralose in it, which was actually way too much. 1 drop can go a long way. Man, what? You gotta eat your bones? I do. I figure the bone is probably the most nutritious part of the damn chicken wing. The tendon. So yeah, I sipped on that. And caffeine and fat, it really is rocket fuel. Like, I felt so energized. And of course, because I hadn't had coffee in a few days, on an empty stomach, I made me use the restroom. But it's all good though, because your girl was on fire after that. I was killing him. Yeah, so I had a really great day. So anyway, that really gave me a lot of energy. I felt great when I got home. I was like, okay, I could totally deal with Halloween. I'm not even tripping, which I wasn't. We got, our baby girl ready. She was a beautiful vampire.
Happy
And
Halloween!
her good friend came with us, and so we took the girls out and walked around. We had fun. You know, see some of our neighbors, a new neighborhood. And it was just fun, you know, fun to be out with, you know, our girls. And they both said that they don't really even care too much about the candy. It's more about the dressing up and them hanging out and, you know, just being out after dark. Butter. Butter makes me excited. I think the main reason I was able to say no to the candy was that I said yes to myself in the morning. I said, yes, I can have a cup of coffee. Yes, I can have some cream. Yeah, you can put a little cocoa butter in there too. And just having that yes made me okay with that no later on in the day. And I think also too, just giving myself some calories and some energy helped me to not want food or candy or anything later in the day. So I know when I have events and stuff like that going on, I'm definitely going to have a little something to eat or some fat, because getting the hunger off really helps. It does. So I'm feeling a lot slimmer. I feel like a lot of the bloat is gone. Like, definitely when I woke up this morning, well, I had to pee a couple times last night. When I woke up this morning, I was feeling skinny. Like, my legs are back feeling bony. Feeling like I need that salt water, which I sipped on salt water all day. I didn't have a coffee today, though. I don't want to be doing that every single day. I just had salt water. And I'm going to have my wings. And actually, I was going to give myself a little treat. I was going to have me a Zevia, which I might grab now. This will tell you how much I used to drink. I got a mini fridge in my room now. It used to hold beer and alcohol and all kind of good stuff, but now I got Zevias and sparkling waters. Ooh. Not my favorite flavor, but it's all that was left in there. So I got some lemon lime Zevia. You guys ever try these? They're pretty good. It's like a soda alternative. Ooh, it's like got that frosty. I had defrosted that refrigerator a couple weeks ago. Ooh, it's good. Ooh, let me show you guys. It's so good. Ooh, can you see? Ooh. Can you see the ice? It's like all icy and frothy and yummy. Ew. Let's see. Can you see, baby? I really wish I could like angle it down so you can see my plate, but then you can't see my face. And I don't know which you like better, see my face or my plate. Or we could do straight up ASMR, and I could do like this, and y'all can see me just eat. That's how they be eating. Like a lot of saliva. Do you guys watch ASMR? I do. It's funny, yesterday when Serene, she was opening a piece of candy in the car, and I really do like the sound of the wrapper, you know, when she was opening it. It's like, ooh, that familiar sound of like candy wrappers. People actually do have whole videos where they're like opening candy. Man, that's crazy. I love it. I was tripping earlier because, like, I thought about eating an entire stick of butter. The only problem with it is that it's like a lot of calories. And I didn't know if I want to spend all my calories on just butter. Like, I'd rather have some cream, some nuts, you know, a little something else. Even though I do think it is good to kind of mono eat sometimes. Like, have like one thing. You know, when I was eating a plant-based diet, I did that a lot. I kind of felt like my digestion felt better, but then it could have been because I was shoving a whole bunch of plants in my throat. And they were clogging my guts up. So, whenever I like individual items, like only collard greens in that day, or only cabbage, only pineapple, only strawberry, my digestion seemed better. Y'all like the marrow? You ever dig the marrow out? I was thinking about now, like, whenever I boil anything with bones in it, I always want to like chop it in half so that the marrow is exposed, and you can get all that goodness out. Because again, like I said earlier, I think the bone is probably the most nutritious part of the chicken. At least the parts that we eat normally here in America. Shit, get hungry enough, you eat all the entire bone. Somebody call me. Man, it's like I got more butter than chicken. Ooh, so rich. It's like ridiculous. Which is what like excites me about it. Eating 90% fat is like, I don't know, I like that. It's like, what? You eat what? Yeah. Thousands of calories in fat a day. Almost 2, but I'm trying to get to around, you know, between 1,800 and 2,000 calories a day. And like I say, this ain't a bad way to eat it. Lots and lots of fat. I mean, look, just the decadence from all this butter. I really, seasoned butter. I mean, to totally make butter fat bombs. Just flavor up your butter, or at least I think I'm gonna do that. Because butter is banging to me. Butter is life. Like a lion, you know, just eating bones. This one's hard. Boom. Okay, so I don't know if Michelle wants to fast tomorrow or not. I'm thinking she does. I'm hoping she kind of does. I mean, being that we're off, we can basically sleep the whole day. Or I'm down with sleeping, chilling, not flexing. Do like a dirty dry fast. Not a dirty dry fast. I mean a hard dry fast. I could be a dirty dry fast and the homie come through, but no. I have a little butter with my bones. I'm sure somebody comes like, don't do that, you're gonna kill yourself. I'm gonna be alright. Well, my loves, I got one more wing left. A little bit of butter left. I'm gonna finish that off. And I think I'm gonna go make that mason jar ice cream now. As fast as I get it in the freezer, faster I can get it in my face. Alright guys, well drop down in the comments and let me know, how'd your Halloween go? Did you make it without eating candy? Alright loves, I love you. I'm gonna holla at you.